everybody, welcome back to the Sjolie YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about setting up your Sjolie extraction fan filter and how to attach it to a 20 by 20 box fan. An important thing to note when you purchase our fan filter kit is that it does not come with an actual fan, so you will have to purchase a standard 20 by 20 box fan at a local store near you or purchase it on Amazon. The brand that we use is an Amazon Basics fan. It's just standard 20 by 20 box fan. First things first, we're going to talk about what comes in our Sjolie fan filter box. So in here you will find a foam filter, a filter cover, and then 4 Velcro strips to attach it to your 20 by 20 box fan. We have our 20 by 20 box fan right here. So this is the very front of the fan. This is where the air is going to be blowing out. We don't want this side facing closest to our client. We actually want the back of the fan closest to the client. So it's going to sit in your tent this way. This is where the air is going to be sucked in. We want all that overspray being caught in the filter that's going to attach to the back. So this is where we're going to be applying that filter. So when you are applying the Velcro strips, we're going to put them as close to the edge as we can. They don't need to be touching the very edge, but we don't want them way out here on the opposite side. That way everything will attach properly. So we'll have them applied to the very top corners of the fan and then the very bottom corners of the fan. We're going to apply the foam filter first. We'll set this on the very back of the fan. It's easier to do it if the fan is laying down, so we'll apply it like that. Next, we're going to apply the filter cover. So the very bottom of the filter, you'll know it's the bottom because there's these 2 little holes, and this is where you will fit that over the footings of the actual fan. So first thing I'm going to do is stretch it over these guys. Sometimes you just need to pull it a little bit. Once we have the bottom of the filter attached to the feet of the fan, we're going to attach the Velcro corners. So just like that. And then we're going to do the top corner, same thing, stretch that over and that side. And that is how you apply the fan filter to your box fan. So this is exactly how we want that fan to look in the back of the tent. We're gonna have this back tent opening open. That way the air can blow through the back, and we can pull down these zippers just to make sure that there's no extra overspray escaping. The filter is gonna be closest to the client standing on this side, so no air should be blowing on the client.